Hello my friends, I'm Pedro Miguel Costa. I'm an inventor, a filmmaker, a photographer. What else? I'm here today to tell you how to use your ND filter. Let's start with the first thing you need to do. First you need to read the light that you have on the moment using one of these or similar light meters. This is a Sekonic Studio Deluxe 3. You point, you put your ISO, you point to the light and you press the button and you got a reading. If your reading is imagine a f8 but you want to use a wider aperture like f2, so I will show you in a moment. So the light meter is reading f8, imagine at ISO 400, but you want to use your lens at f2. In this image, see f2 to f8 to f2 is 1, 2, 3, 4 full stops of light. So from f8, 5.6, 4, 2.8, 2. You need to cut 4 full stops of light. And how do you do that? With the ND filter. This is a Hoya ND filter, a variable one. It cuts at a maximum 5 stops of light. I will show you what I've done to mine. I put these little dots, 5 stops. I want to cut 4 stops of light. So I put my ND filter like this. Okay. So I put this ND filter to cut 4 stops of light. I put the filter on the front of the lenses. Now the light meter is reading f8, but with this ND filter now I can use my lenses at f2, because as you open your aperture, more light goes into the sensor. You need to compensate the extra light that goes to the sensor with the ND filter. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, and behind me you can watch it here on my channel. It was my first video that I uploaded. It is my short movie Oblita. Thank you very much. Thumbs up. She's desperate. Watch it. Give it a like. Subscribe. This month I will release another short movie called Article. Stay tuned. Bye bye.